Hi guys, in this video, I'll show you how to use GitHub Copilot in VS Code effectively. First of all, open the Visual Studio Code application on your PC. You'll see your recent project right on your screen. Now, navigate to the extensions section from the menu on the left-hand side. Then search for GitHub Copilot in the search bar. After that, click on the first extension that appears and select the Install button. Now patiently wait for the installation process to complete. Once installed, you'll be prompted to sign in using your GitHub account. Click on the Sign In button, authorize the action, and proceed with signing into your account. After signing in, return to the VS Code application and begin typing your code. GitHub Copilot offers a unique feature called Ghost Code, which predicts and suggests code snippets based on the context of what you're typing. If you don't see the ghost text appearing as you type, make sure that Copilot is enabled. You can do this by clicking on the Copilot icon located at the bottom right corner of your VS Code window. Another useful capability of Copilot is its ability to provide code suggestions directly from comments. Simply type your query in a comment and press the Tab key to accept the suggestion. For incorporating parts of Ghost Code into your work, use the Control key and arrow keys to navigate and select specific parts of the suggested code. Moreover, GitHub Copilot excels in predicting entire lines of code. For instance, as you start typing, Copilot will anticipate and propose the necessary numbers or variables needed to complete your line of code. Additionally, there's a feature called inline commands. By pressing Ctrl+I keys simultaneously, a prompt bar will appear where you can enter a query. The AI will respond with an answer which you can accept by pressing Accept or Dismiss by pressing the Escape key. You can also use the inline commands while coding. If Copilot suggests a query in between your lines of code, you have the option to either incorporate it into your project or disregard it altogether. So that's all for this video. If you found this information helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the like button. Thanks for watching.